Hi everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Boo, and some of my followers on my Facebook page, Budom and Bruja Access, might know that I do a lot of cooking. And today I just wanted to film some of that cooking and give you an idea of what it's like to cook in Boo's house. Today I'm going to be making Thai chicken satay. It is a mild curry dish. It's not really curry. It's curry flavored, I guess, because we use a really mild yellow powder. And I use a package from Lobo. I love cooking. I love cooking from scratch, but sometimes, like I live in Texas, and it's not always easy to get the organic ingredients I need to make things from scratch. And I don't always have time because I do also work a day job. So to get things rolling, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to be doing today and how I did it. It's very simple. This is actually a dish that you can cook inside or outside, but it's meant to be grilled. A lot of times you can see this food cooked on the streets because it's easy. It's on a skewer. You can just use a grill to do it. But sometimes when it's raining and I don't have time, I can't put it on the grill, or I'm running short for time, I will use the oven, and I'll usually use it on a broil so I can get that grilled like taste or texture of the meat being nicely browned and burned on the outside with a really soft inside, juicy inside with that curry flavor. And then I'm also going to make the coconut, the peanut butter coconut dipping sauce along with the sweet vinegar cucumber dipping sauce. But I don't have any cucumber, so I'm just going to make the vinegar sauce with the onions in it. But it still tastes the same. It doesn't matter. A lot of times when I'm making it, my family doesn't even use it, but whenever I make this for guests, they fall in love with the peanut sauce. They use it on everything. My daughter's boyfriend loves to just smear it all over his rice with any type of meat, whether it's chicken satay or steak, and he'll just eat it. So, and that's easy to prepare. You just need a little coconut milk. So, enough of me talking. And I want to thank everybody that's been on my blog and my other social media sites and have either liked or followed me. And I hope that you go from there to following my YouTube channel, which is just going to be pretty much about me. So this is really, I guess if you think about it, my first vlog ever that I'm going to put up. It made me nervous because it's just, I'm not an in front of camera person. I like to do things behind the scenes, but I will be doing some things towards the end of this year, which will get me more in front of the camera, but I'll talk a little more to you about that later. If you can, go ahead and subscribe, and if you like this video, go ahead and like it. And also make sure that when you subscribe, you put that notification on, so every time I have something new, you'll be able to see it. So thank you for all your patience. I know it's been a long road. I've been saying I'm going to make this YouTube channel, and I hadn't, but in between a lot of things happening, my day job, COVID, the pandemic, it's been really hard to get off the ground. But one thing the pandemic has done for me is let me understand what I really want to do with my life and where I want to go with it. And if I'm happy with what I'm doing, and if I'm not, am I going to get out? Why don't you guys comment below and let me know what you think about this video, and also about anything that you would like me to talk about in other videos. I just pretty much talk about everything: traveling, food, movies, entertainment. If you go to my blog, you'll see that I'm pretty... I just like to give people news. I just like sharing people, giving people knowledge to share. So I want you to go ahead and take that time to subscribe and hopefully learn something. And maybe I can learn something from you, because that's also the point of this YouTube channel. It's not just for me to spread my knowledge, but for you guys to give me some of your knowledge, because I really enjoy learning. And I love learning from other people. and about other people's cultures. So that's another thing you'll see. Like, even though my family is Thai and Filipino, and I will be cooking a lot of Thai and Filipino dishes, that doesn't mean I'm not going to cook another culture's dish, because I love eating and I love different cultures' food. So if you have a great recipe and you'd like to see me make it on the channel, please let me know in your comments below. All right. So, and also below will be the links to my other social medias, including my blog site. So please go ahead and visit there too. So on we go. Some great chicken satay. I don't always put it on a stick, but I thought, hey, why not? Go ahead and do it today. This is the Lobo seasoning mix that I use with it. I like it. I've done it myself, but I can never quite get that taste, and it's pretty good. It's not too salty. It's very flavorful. Keep this in your cupboard for a while. You don't know what to make. Like, hey, it's really easy. The only thing is, it tastes best when the longer you can soak your meat in the sauce, the better that flavor is gonna be. There's two silver packets. I threw away the other one. Sorry, but one is the A packet, which is for the curry sauce here. Add a little water, you just kind of rub it into the meat that you're doing. And then we have the B packet, which is gonna make the peanut sauce, which is pictured right here. And there's coconut milk in it, of course. Can't eat any type of Asian food, it seems like, without some type of coconut in it. So after that, we're gonna put these things on the Barbie. Okay. So here we go, folks. I'm getting the chicken satay on the grill. And as you can see, some of them that I'm not ready to cook, I went ahead and put them on that little bar up there to make sure that flies stay away from it. But it's very thin meat. I use the chicken thigh, boneless and skinless. Cut them into pieces. It's very easy. Soak them. Also, as you saw at the beginning, or maybe not, I didn't show you, but you have to soak the wooden sticks so they don't burn. And try not to have them on the fire. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, the more videos I make and the better I get, hopefully you'll enjoy them more. And also, please comment below if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see, or any recipes you'd like me to make or consider. And also, just anything about you, just stop by and say hi. So thanks again for visiting BudomStories-Vlog, and I'll see you later. Always inspired. Bye.